There are several challenges when using chromatography columns. Larger columns impact directly facility layouts, costs, and infrastructure because the space and buffer volumes for all steps also increase. Biopharmaceutical companies operating in a manufacturing environment with columns are approaching the limits of productivity and scalability. This trend is driving rapid adoption of single-use technologies. New process design strategies have leveraged this dramatic shift to drive efficiency and reduce the total cost of ownership. Bioprocess engineers can now explore 3M Polisher ST technology's versatility over equivalent columns. The platform has strong potential to outperform columns by achieving high purity, high recovery, and driving process simplification and flexibility.